Welcome. In front of me is a POCO M8 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So, to get started, you will want to open up your settings, and in here, navigate to the first option, which is called About Phone, and scroll down where you'll find Factory Reset right here. Now, before we click on this, I want to quickly just mention, before you go through this, just know that obviously this process removes all the data from your device. So if you have anything on your phone that you'd like to maintain, I would urge you to create a backup of that data. And you can do that by clicking right here, Backup and Restore. And you can create a backup to either Xiaomi Cloud, to your computer, or to another mobile device, or to Google Cloud. So choices are up to you. One thing that I do want to point out, I believe this version here, if we go to computer, will probably be using let's see, Open MIUI backup, whatever, locate. No. So I think this is going to be using their own application that you can download on Windows. And if that is the case, which I have never tested it out, then this backup could be good. In general, the way Xiaomi like Restore and the phone cloning application, whatever, works, as it's basically the same thing, it's actually pretty good. But the downside is it will limit you to their brand device. So obviously you would be only able to use this backup, restore it onto another Xiaomi, or well, this phone obviously too. So with that in mind, if you got a new phone which wouldn't be Xiaomi, this backup basically becomes useless to you. And in this kind of way, I would maybe recommend instead using something like a cable, just plugging into your phone, connecting it to the computer, and manually navigating to the storage of the device and dragging everything that you want to maintain. Photos, videos, screenshots, stuff like that. For other things, like for instance contacts and stuff like that, you would need to create file backups, for instance like a VCF file, I believe it is, which you would need to get some other applications. But this would get you basically the what could be considered the most secure kind of backup, as it would be stored on your own computer. It would be impervious to any kind of AI training models and any kind of laws that, for instance, companies need to uphold, supposedly, that prohibit them from keeping personal data for excessive period of time, which I believe excessive is like 2 or 3 years, at which point they would train their AI models and then delete this, so you no longer can use it. But hey, the AI remembers everything, so it's kind of useless in this case and not secure. So best, to, if you're gonna count on someone, count on yourself. So create a backup to your own computer. Anyway, let's move over to the factory reset, which, like I mentioned, presents you the info that this process will remove all the data from here. So we're going to just click on Erase All Data, as we already should have our backup created. And if you have some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it. There we go. Now it asks me again if I want to back up my device. We should have already gone through this, so we're just going to jump right here to factory reset. Now Xiaomi considers their user base to be room temperature IQ, so they give them a 20-second timer in which you can't really progress further. As you can see, there's another 10. So yeah, 20 seconds of your life that is wasted just to let you know that all the data will be removed and this cannot be undone. Cool. So once you confirm that, your phone will begin resetting, and this process will take probably a minute, maybe 2 minutes max to finish up. And once it's completed, we should be presented with the setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.